What's going on, people? It's Just Max TV again. We are making another video, a series of videos called How to Look After Your Dog. Now, if you've not watched my previous video about whether or not animals have feelings, then I suggest you do, and you will make up your minds. Obviously, our little dog was very happy to see me. Let's see if this happens again. So we're now just coming in, and we will see our little dog. There he is. Oh, hello, 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 hello. How are you? Oh my goodness me! Come on, come on, come on! Oh, oh my God! He's so happy. He's so happy. Hello, puppy. Hello. Don't cry. Yes, I'm here. Oh my God! He's even crying. Hello, hello. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's go in. Let's go in. Let's go in. Oh my goodness me! Look at him. Look at him. Oh, he's so happy. Okay, okay, okay. Now, I'm giving him little tripe sticks. You can buy them from any supermarket, pretty much, or pet stores. They're packed with vitamins and minerals, very healthy for dogs. And he absolutely loves them. He devours them in seconds. Very healthy for your dog. There you go, there you go. I taught him a few tricks, nothing spectacular, of course, but he loves it. Sit, sit. Very good. Give me 5. Give me other 5. Thank you. Speak. Very good. Good boy. There you go. There you go. You should feed them foods that are designed specially for dogs to keep them healthy, and give him some treats such as dental treats to keep his dental health. And I have bought him some bones in the past, cooked bones from pet stores, but he tends to bury them or hide them in a very peculiar places, such as even bedroom under the pillow. I don't know why dogs do that. If you do, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. We will cover some other issues about how to keep our dogs happy and healthy in the next videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you subscribe to us, that will be absolutely awesome. And we will see you in the next video. Peace out.